Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about fennel seed, Foeniculum vulgare, health benefits and side effects. It's essential to note that while fennel seed offers numerous health benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Fennel seed's nutritional value. 1. Calories. Fennel seeds have 345 calories per 100 grams of fennel seeds. 2. Water content. Fennel seeds have 8.81 grams of water per 100 grams of fennel seeds. 3. Fiber. Fennel seeds have 39.8 grams of fiber per 100 grams of fennel seeds. 4. Protein. About 15.8 grams per 100 grams of fennel seeds. 5. Vitamins. 100 grams of fennel seeds contain vitamin C, 21 mg, vitamin B6, 0.47 mg, vitamin A, 135 IU, thiamine, 0.408 mg, niacin, 6.05 mg, and riboflavin, 0.353 mg. 6. Minerals. 100 grams of fennel seeds contain calcium 1,200 mg, potassium 1,690 mg, magnesium 385 mg, manganese 6.53 mg, phosphorus 487 mg, iron 18.5 mg, sodium 88 mg, zinc 3.7 mg, copper 1.07 mg, and rich in several amino acids, especially leucine. 7. Amino acids. Fennel seeds are rich in several amino acids. 100 grams of fennel seeds contain leucine 0.996 grams, valine 0.915 grams, lysine 0.758 grams, glutamic acid 2.96 grams, aspartic acid 1.83 grams, alanine 0.789 grams, cysteine 0.222 grams, methionine 0.301 grams, while other amino acids are in trace amounts. Bioactive compounds in fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are rich in various bioactive compounds, each contributing to fennel seeds' health benefits. Here are some of the important bioactive compounds found in fennel seeds. 1. Essential oils. Fennel seeds are rich in anethole, which provides the characteristic flavor and aroma. Fennel seeds also contain fenchone and estragol, contributing to their medicinal properties. 2. Flavonoids. Fennel seeds contain quercetin and camphorol, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. 3. Phenolic compounds. Fennel seeds contain caffeic acid and ferulic acid, which contribute to antioxidant activities and may help reduce oxidative stress. 4. Lignans. Fennel seeds contain compounds like secoisolarisuresinol that may have potential anti-cancer properties. 5. Tannins. Fennel seeds contain tannins which have antioxidant properties and may help in reducing inflammation. 6. Saponins. Fennel seeds are rich in saponins, known for their potential to lower cholesterol and boost immune function. The bioactive compounds collectively contribute to the health benefits of fennel seeds, including digestive health, antioxidant support, and anti-inflammatory effects. Fennel seeds' health benefits. Fennel seeds have several health benefits, which are described below. 1. Digestive health. Fennel seeds relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. Fennel seeds also stimulate digestion and may help alleviate constipation. 2. Antioxidant properties. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and protect cells from free radicals damage. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Fennel seeds contain bioactive compounds that may reduce inflammation and associated conditions. 4. Hormonal balance. Fennel seeds may help in regulating menstrual cycles and alleviating symptoms of menopause. 5. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds act as a natural expectorant, helping to relieve coughs and respiratory conditions. 6. Weight management. Fennel seeds' fiber content promotes satiety, which can aid in weight control. 7. Heart health. Fennel seeds may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, supporting cardiovascular health. 8. Immune support. Fennel seeds are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that boost the immune system. 9. Bone health. Fennel seeds contain calcium and other minerals that contribute to bone strength. 10. Antimicrobial properties. Fennel seeds exhibit potential against certain bacteria and fungi, promoting overall health. These benefits make fennel seeds a valuable addition to a daily balanced diet. Fennel seed side effects. Fennel seeds are generally considered safe for most people when used appropriately. However, there are potential side effects and considerations to be aware of. 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, including skin rashes or difficulty breathing after consuming fennel seeds. 2. Hormonal effects. Fennel seeds contain phytoestrogens, which may affect hormone levels, so caution is advised for those with hormone-sensitive conditions. 3. Digestive issues. Fennel seeds used in excessive amounts can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea. 4. Drug interactions. Fennel seeds may interact with certain medications, particularly those affecting hormone levels or anticoagulants. 5. Pregnancy concerns. Fennel seeds in high doses are not recommended during pregnancy, as they may stimulate menstrual flow or have other hormonal effects. 6. Potential photosensitivity. Some compounds in fennel may increase sensitivity to sunlight, leading to skin reactions. 7. Neurological effects. Fennel seeds consumption in large amounts may cause symptoms like dizziness or headaches in sensitive individuals. While fennel seeds are generally safe for most people in moderate amounts, it's best to consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns or specific health conditions. Thank you for watching this video.